So you're a Year 12 student making a project, there's an expectation that things are going to go wrong. So this section is where you put in where everything goes wrong, and you need to put this in because if you say that you didn't have any problems, and even if you didn't have any problems, the markers are going to think you're a liar, all right? So what you need to do is you need to, when something goes real bad, you put it in this section, and then you come up with the solutions that you had for that and evaluation on how it worked, okay? So for example, when this student was recording audio, the interface just completely stopped working. They had trouble coming up with ideas, and there were some actual things that were just outside of school that were becoming a problem. So the evaluation there talks about how it kind of affected their project and how they kind of got through those difficulties. This student here has some actual visuals, which is really good, so you can visually see what was wrong. So the swords were being swung so fast that the camera couldn't catch up with it, which caused bending, which made the lightsaber things bend, which is something that he didn't want. And then it's how he got through that. You can see like there were other subjects and assessments, incompatible MacBook, USBs, things not working, After Effects crashing. His actor actually stopped wanting to work on the film halfway through, and then, you know, how this was fixed. Looking then at this person's, you can see past their links, we've got some solutions to problems. So, you know, it continues here. So problem, solution, and then what it ended up with after that. Looking at this student, so we've got the problems with finding ideas, further research, and then an evaluation of how it affected it. And then here we've got a really nice visual one. So you can see the problem, it's shot, the solution, and then the final shot within the final project of how he solved it using these lights. Looking at this one, we've seen some poor color correction, processing power, so using the big computer at school, all of these things. The fact that his entire folder corrupted, so how he solved it, and backing up, things of that nature, okay? So you want to talk about all the problems you have, and this section will be different for everyone, but it's very important you put it there, and every time you have a problem, just log it away in a Word file somewhere, so when you get to it at the time, towards the end of the year when you're working on this section, you can really sort of make it worthwhile.